Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code Vision. AI versus ML versus DL. Differences, future scope, and career opportunities. Let's start. Today we'll discuss one of the most common yet confusing topics in tech, AI versus ML versus DL. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. We will break it down, understand their differences, explore career opportunities, and guide you on which one to choose based on future trends and salary insights. Differences between AI, ML, and DL. 1. Artificial Intelligence AI. AI is the broadest concept. It refers to machines that mimic human intelligence. AI includes reasoning, problem solving, learning, and automation. Example: virtual assistants like Siri. Second, machine learning. ML is a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data and improve over time. It uses algorithms to identify patterns and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Example: Netflix recommendations and spam email filters. 3. Deep learning. DL is a subset of ML that uses neural networks to mimic the human brain. It is used in image recognition, speech processing, and autonomous driving. Example: Tesla's self-driving cars and facial recognition on smartphones. Features: AI/ML/DL definition. 1. AI broad field of smart machines. 2. ML subset of AI that learns from data. 3. DL advanced ML using neural networks. Dependency. AI was independent, ML needs data for training. DL needs huge data and high computing power. Example: AI Siri chatbots. ML spam detection, price prediction. DL self-driving cars, image recognition. Future scope and salary insights. The demand for AI, ML, and DL experts is booming. Here's what you need to know. AI engineer, 10 to 30 LPA. ML engineer, 7 to 20 LPA. DL engineer, 8 to 25 LPA in India. Career roadmap. Step 1. Learn the basics: Python, statistics, mathematics, basic programming concepts, loops, functions, objective programming language. Step 2. Learn AI, ML, and DL. AI, understanding automation and intelligent systems. ML, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. DL, neural networks, CNNs, and RNN. Step 3. Work on real projects. Build AI chatbots, recommendation systems, and image classifiers. Use TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. Step 4. Apply for jobs and certifications. Get certifications: Google ML certification, AWS AI certification. Build a strong portfolio and apply for AI ML DL jobs. At last, will AI completely replace human jobs? AI will automate repetitive tasks, but human creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence will always be essential in the workforce. Conclusion: AI, ML, and DL are transforming industries, and choosing the right one depends on your interest and career goals. Whether you aim to be an AI engineer, ML specialist, or DL expert, the opportunities are endless. Start learning today and step into the future of technology. That's it, guys. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing